this is my second day in Singapore. The time right now is around 3:44 and I'm having this kheer made by my bhabhi ji, which is really sweet, like bhabhi and the kheer both. तो आज दिन की शुरुआत लेट इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि बाहर जो वेदर है आज थोड़ा सा गर्म है एंड धूप बहुत तेज़ है, तो आई थॉट आई विल बी स्टेइंग इनसाइड. इन द मीन टाइम आई वाज एडिटिंग माय व्लॉग. So just like so many things, I have experienced the pool. Just like diving into it, I experienced it for the very first time and I'm enjoying it so far. And so if I talk about today, I just spent my day editing the vlog because the weather outside was really hot, so I didn't want to go out. I don't think that there can be any best way to spend your evening than being in a pool in such weather.
The weather is quite good. The breeze is also very nice. Yeah. What else you can expect from a life, man?
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a proof.
In the morning weather was really pleasant. It was all cloudy, but now it is like so harsh and sunny. This is my third day in Singapore. Now we are heading out to roam around because today is Saturday and Sunday यहाँ पे छुट्टी होती है and people go and out.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart.
We are in a ferry and we took it from Changi village and we are going to Pulau Ubin, and that's an island and it's going to be like 10 minutes ferry ride from here. It's looking so lovely.
At least it was worth a try.
By the way, यहाँ तक आते आते weather has become really pleasant. It's all cloudy again now and wow, मतलब क्या ठंडी हवा चल रही है. And somewhere it's giving me the feeling of like India or Goa. थोड़ा सा गंदा, थोड़ा सा less maintained but beautiful at the same time with the water all sides. Well, this island itself is so big that to properly explore it, you can rent a bicycle, and that's what we're gonna do. The bicycle rental cost is like here all varies around like $8 to $12. मतलब शाम तक आप उसको ride कर सकते हो to explore around. So these are the two cycles which we are renting. They were asking for $10 each, but we requested that they give us these for $8 each, and he said okay. And now for the $16 for the both bikes for the whole day. While riding through the woods in this island, we are nowhere. It's been more than 2 hours we have been riding here in the woods along the side of the water. So after completing the ride, we have run the cycle. Alright, thank you. तो पुलाव बिन के जंगलों में साइकिल चला के ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 3 hours, मतलब फट के 4 हो गई. तो उसके बाद वापस आए हम चांगी विलेज. यहाँ पे बीच पे चिल मार रहे थे, थोड़ा बहुत शूट किया. वो शूट क्या था आपको अभी नहीं बताऊँगा. Here we saw like ton of aeroplanes. You must have seen in the B-rolls. If I talk about this place, you know, the sun is setting right in front of me. The rays coming out of the clouds and the boats parked in front of me. People laughing around. Overall, this place is really beautiful. The sound of the sea. I mean, everything is so mesmerizing that I can't tell you. So we were here in like Changi market some of the facts which I came to know about that is 7 right now, 7 in the evening. But even at the 6:30, people were having their dinner. So 6:30 और मतलब शाम को 6:30 या 7 बजे लोग डिनर करके अपना सो जाते हैं. एंड इमेजिन हाउ प्रोडक्टिव दे वुड बी, राइट? कि वो अपना शाम को फ्री हो गया, अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, देन डिनर करके जल्दी सो जाते हैं, उसके बाद जल्दी उठ के अपना जो है दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. अनलाइक अस. I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more video like this. And as I always say, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So, see ya in the next one.